Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Renoy.
And I'm Yannick.
And today we'll be going on the road once again. We don't exactly want to say where we're going because we have options depending on what's happening at the main destination. So just stick with us and let's get to it.
Yeah.
So we did it again. We are back at Soldiers just for breakfast. Wow, this is... Yeah, we're back at breakfast. We're back at breakfast. Yannick, the color there. It's very nice. Alright, take up mine as well, please. So yeah, we're back at Soldiers Restaurant. We're gonna get breakfast and then head to where we said we're going. Like, no, for real though, the color of this is a gold kind of color. It's quite nice. I really need to get an ND filter. It wouldn't be struggling with this. Well, if you got my mask, thank you so much.
Hi,
all right, so let's go. And we have Danae with us. She's a friend of ours.
Hi.
Yeah, we're gonna be. You'll see. Just watch the video. All right, my hands hurt. I said this like almost the same place. Vlogging it. Oh, there goes the sun, and our exposure should now be much better. Not so much stuff on my face and stuff. And I'm not gonna be recording inside the restaurant. I saw that in the last video, so yeah, man. Whew. You know, I feel like going over the craft market, even though I'm not through a place, a white people place. But
Studio.
yeah, I know, right? Not a bad location either. Whew. All right, so see you now next stop. Completely. Alright, and we are live, not live, but you know, whatever. So, once again, Soldiers Restaurant. I'm having, I could not have ackee and saltfish, fried breadfruit, festival, no dumpling, but it's fine. And burger. I mean, it's not horrible, it's just, no, I'm fine, I'm good, good. Yeah.
Do you want to taste it?
No.
Oh, okay.
And my mother cooks bulgur, or has cooked bulgur, and I've eaten it, but she did it as a rice substitute at that point. The way it's done, it was done just now is, or that Yannick is having, is what's it again? It's like a porridge, and I'm
like a
weird.
porridge, it is porridge.
It is porridge, and I'm weird. I only eat cornmeal porridge. Every other porridge just seems so weird to me. And the funny thing is, I hate cornmeal. But yeah, I'm a weird fellow.
Something wrong with you, mom. This is good. Okay.
I know I only took the first bite, but this is the second time around at Soldiers Restaurant, and it was good. I didn't expect anything less. I didn't. Honestly, did not expect anything less.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
This,
So yeah, this should be what? Vlog number 2, video number 3. In our second video, we did tell you guys that we're married. We're still on honeymoon, which is a 2-week honeymoon or 2-week honeymoon.
or is it week?
It's a 2-week
If it's
honeymoon.
2.
It's a 2-week honeymoon. Who's right? Is it a 2-week honeymoon or a 2 weeks honeymoon? I'm pretty sure it's a 2-week honeymoon. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna eat food. Danae is hidden around the back, probably enjoying her food as well. More than likely enjoying her food as well.
I am here. I am enjoying my food. You know, just have the moment up there. I'll stay here.
Okay. Alright, so again, the goal on that vehicle. It's nice. You have anything to say?
I mean, tell him to give me a shirt.
That's my cousin.
Hey, Danae's cousin.
Can we get that shirt?
Influencing Danae to lock her hair. Good job. I mean, I could lock my hair too. I know I have a little thinning hairline in the middle part up here, but you know that can be rectified.
Hairline. up here.
are thinning here. You know what? Y'all seen enough. We're gonna eat and head off to the next location. So, bye. But she's just in our food making such rainbows or something. No. You?
No, no time for that.
This is so good.
Okay.
It tastes
I
good.
always.
So yeah, we're back. As you can see from the clip I just inserted, we are right now. All of this, I guess, would be White River. We're right under the bridge that is, well, when you cross that bridge, you're over to St. Mary. So it's pretty much the border. However, as you can see, the water is not looking pretty. And one of the gentlemen said it's, and I said the water dirty is like a reservoir there upstream. And I'm let out the reservoir, so it's not there because rain not fall or anything. So no rain not fall. Rain fell?
Yeah.
When?
Rain has been falling in the afternoons. Yesterday I was in Kitchen and it's falling.
Oh, well, we never get no
We
rain.
didn't get any rain.
We never get no rain at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, we never get
That's
no
why when you spoke with when I text you on the phone yesterday. I told you,
That's funny.
earlier.
Oh, I understand. Alright, so yeah, so this
We're heading up the river.
yeah, this is for another day. So this is why we say we're not sure exactly how the day will go. We have to see which place is accessible. So the first option, White River, is off the list for today.
And it's $6,000, guys, per raft,
Yeah.
or 60 US.
We're not getting another party.
Yeah.
How we ain't go raft? We go raft?
I mean, we're planning to raft at some point. We're not necessarily rafting today.
In the future. But anyways,
Hiccup.
so yeah, we're leaving here now. We're going to AA Portraits location to upload our first video, which hasn't been uploaded. Today is what? Wednesday? Yeah, we did that Monday, so it's actually fine. Yeah, so we're going there to upload that video, then leave there, go to, well, you'll see.
Wherever. Yeah. Up the river.
We can do that after. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Welcome, family. I mean, man, the original brownie man you see in the media all the time. You know what I mean? You can find me on Google. Take a look at my project, man. My project, them nice. We got gummy bears. Oh, ladies love gummy bears, and we have some fresh brownies. Eh? Say the word. Very cheap. Local cost. Local price. Local price. You know, no go on, so me love the support, you know, so no give me a support. But what we can do for your camera, we're gonna do a whole commercial and so and play a guitar for you and take pictures by the Jamaica flag. That's how we roll together. You know? Because if you see me just taking picture of me alone like that, then I'm a star.
Alright, here we go.
So-
We're actually just a drive show.
Yeah.
I'll come back here, start there for sure.
Yeah.
So now come back, stop. Can we go have more people as well?
Oh, Jesus. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
Here goes my last hopes.
Oh, no. stupid piece of.
Hey,
Oh.
we are recording.
Sure.
We're recording. Alright, so I don't know what it is. I feel like it's a me thing where I'm always having issues with security. And I don't have issues with police officers, I always have issues with security. And I don't understand why. Because I can recall this experience at Harmony Beach Park with a particular security. We spoke to one. He says it's okay because it was closing time. The one that we spoke to said it's okay to just, do a quick thing right there and fine. We did that. The other one come, yo, that can't go on. If me lose my work because I own me can't come out in the yard, come get food and me I say, yo, you kinda go too far there, so that was not necessary at all. And I had to report it. We're here now at Spanish Bridge. I wanted to do a few photos of Danae and one the same fussy one with the gun says it's fine to take it around the grounds once we don't go in the water. Then the other one later on said to us that we can go around, that's behind the bridge, go on the stairs and whatever. Once we not swim or something, that's fine. Okay, so then it got changed and everything. We prepare everything together, only to say it, just out of curiosity, while we're walking, we say to the other security that, hey, we're going there to do some photos. The other security did say whatever. The man flare up.
Go away. Where you go?
And him run your son. I said this is the thing when alright, sorry, there's a fly in here.
Get out.
There's a fly in here.
Wow.
Just wait.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. So yeah, this is one of the things with, and I know it's not a Jamaican only thing, but I'm here, I live here, I've never gone anywhere else. When people get a little bit of power, it gets to their head, because how he behaved was completely unnecessary. Completely unnecessary. And this is part of the reason in my mind why Jamaica will never be any better than it is, because people don't know how to deal with other people. And if you know me, you know I am not disrespectful in any way, shape or form, unless I'm messing around, which I wasn't the case. Yeah, but
Can't say that.
but yeah, I just don't know why some of these things happen, but it clearly not gonna stop, and it sucks. It sucks. So we're moving on to the next location, because this is definitely not going to work out.
This is not it.
Yeah.
This is not it.
But if you're still watching the video, thank you so much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back. I get to here, catch up them then. When the curl and mess up. Okay.
Oh, I'm not here.
Lagi. is right here. Pole is kind of right here. So you can see this stone right here. Try to search for the green. Just feel with your feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did it. Oh my god.
Alright. Hug up here, Nick. Hug up it. Alright. There we go. How's the journey so far?
It's good.
You sure?
Yes.
You look a little bit worried.
climbed some hill.
Yeah.
Valley.
I recorded one of them.
Huh. Lord. I was going. My girl was tired.
I'm looking at a lens here. Yeah.
Oh my god. The water. Oh, so nice. Oh, one day. I don't think I'll put something somewhere. What a cow!
You've been in it.
Oh my god.
Been in it.
Yeah, but my waist ain't catching there now. No, the water cold, water cold, water cold. What? This is the water cold. Mercy.
Excuses, excuses, excuses.
Oh man, the water cold right now. You want me to come in the water? No, I don't want to throw none of my neck because we're here. I don't want to wake up. Water gets somewhere else. Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
You say want to get somewhere else?
Yes. Open up my chest and reach for choo-choo.
Did you move?
Because my upper body, me push down my upper body in the water so I can reach.
Oh, okay.
Shit. Ooh. Ooh. Hip hop. Whoa.
You know, you can't just leg it yourself. You're in a
Not
life
the
jacket.
beat. You cool? Oh, God, hammer.
Alright, alright. Paddle.
What kind of plastic paddle?
Doggy paddle.
Right here.
Doggy paddle.
We very nice. Some parts still not just no water. It's fine.
You know, so I'm glad with the selfie record.
Ooh, it's fine. What's up? What is that on my foot?
So as you guys can see, she's not gonna further. I don't expect her to. This is nothing new when it comes to cheap and water. In the wow. She's not gonna further, guarantee you. But yeah, the guide is telling us that the guide is telling us that JPS probably need to turn away from the noise. The guide is telling us that JPS released. He's telling us that the JPS let open a reservoir up at the top, which is why the water is coming down so hard. And he's saying that it's gonna be for the next 6 months or 5 months that it's gonna be like this. Now, this is not the blue hole I know. When it comes to blue hole, the water is blue. The water have a weird color to it now, and it's very, very heavy, as you can see. This part here wasn't always like that, but you know, it's just one of those things, and I guess the people here will, the guys and so, will have to just adjust to it. But it was a hell of a challenge to come across that with the cameras. Well, they helped out. But yeah, man, so far so good. If you're still here, thank you so much for being here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I always say before I say be right back. And just say, oh, I hate that. And if you have something to fall back on. So, I understand what you understand. If you have a skill. Yanni, go on now. Do it now. Go on now. Go on up on the falls. Go on now. Just a boom flick. Turn it to you. You're gonna see yourself.
Listen.
And then me after the show.
Hey guys, I don't know how to do this. Mama, see your something that drop out. Not your something, but. Jeez. So guys, listen. The current, not nice. The river is a all Ypres water. It's a lot of water. And you put it in there already and tell them why?
I think I did, yeah.
Jaja. We're not coming back here. We're not coming back for another couple months because whomever, that company will remain unnamed. Let out the water there. Whomever let out that water in the river.
Very blue.
Nice. It's not blue there now because the water.
Hey, this is something here.
You might have to hold it in your hand. But guys, the water did still feel nice. For the sections that we managed to go in,
More comfortable to the viewer.
It was
Just raise
nice.
your hand.
You know? And I just realized I've been looking at.
Really?
Yes, I've been looking at myself instead of looking in the camera. And the gentleman around there taking a photo. I don't know of what. But guys, it's not bad. And the water was just, it was really a nice cool down. Because by the time we done work and reach, we start sweat.
Alright, so I'm going to have to take it for this part here. Oh, sorry. Here we go. Okay.
Yay!
Oh, battery's low. There's another battery in the car, so it's fine. But good looking trip. I didn't get into the water because of my camera, but for future trips, this is definitely gonna be resolved one way or another with an action camera.
One way.
But anyways, we're out.
Oh, no.
Don't know if that's the end of the video, but peace.
I can't peace today. Not today.